I'm just getting ready to put some of this hardware on this door. I want to introduce you to my little buddy. This is Barn Cat, BC. He's a little wild. He doesn't like to be held all the time, but he's a good boy. Go on. He's a pretty good cat. He came up last year just out of the blue. He made it through the winter. He's a good barn cat. Okay, so I'm going to put these deadbolt and entry knobs on. And this one here is the deadbolt. So I'm finishing out this little door. Finally, the weather's getting nice again. It's kind of chilly. That's why I got my jacket on today. And we got the deck started. And I want to show you a little bit about that next. But I'm just trying out this hardware here that goes on this door. And it's the long ding Chinese doorknob that we bought off of Walmart.com. And that fits good. That fits right on there. So that's good. It's good that they send the little screwdriver with it too. So that's your outside, so you know, that's your lock keyed side. Want that on the outside of your door naturally. Should fit. It's not one to fit. I want to go with the arrow for it to be up. And right here on these is a little arrow that goes up and it points up, and you want that deadbolt to be pointing up. And then it should fit. Go through there properly. It's not always that easy. Yeah. Just tighten these 3 bolts up on the back of it through to the deadbolt cylinder to pull that up flush. With the screwdriver included. Huh. Chinese ain't on too bad on their parts and stuff. Pretty decent little, screwdriver you can use in the future in the house for the junk drawer. You go into junk drawer. If we don't already have enough screwdrivers in the junk drawer, to begin with. You know, only on the carpenter's house, I'll show you every little thing I'm putting on this house. Even though this isn't permanent, this is just temporary. It's a temp door. Temp deadbolt, temp entry knob. Looks like it's working. Take the little screws with the pre-drilled threads on it and just put in this little hole that's already drilled out from the previous hardware that was on it. Alright. That's it. That's the deadbolt. And now for the regular entry knob, which takes this little different plunger like this, and that needs to be going facing to the jamb on this side, yeah. And that sticks in there, you know. It has a 2 3/4 and a 2 3/8 back set, so you can move that back set there back and forth right here. So once again, the key to the outside, the keyed side here to the outside. Should just snap right in there, and it does. Provided some little screws for the striker. Striker goes into the latch, which we're going to install a security plate here in a minute on that as well. My little screwdriver here again that they sent me. Okay, we know that's going to fit. Okay, so I'll show you here in a minute. This little rubber piece on this screwdriver actually is put on there for a reason. It's put on there to protect the finish on the handle. So they thought about that. That was cool. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So that works good now. Deadbolt and the entry knob are on there. And this little rubber piece, I was like, why did they send that little rubber piece on the screwdriver? That's to protect while you're driving the screw into at an angle against keep from scratching the finish on your new knob. Even though it's just a temp knob, it's still a pretty nice knob. All right, so now we're gonna put on this security plate. It's a latch plate for the deadbolt and entry both at the same time. And it's 5.5 inches on center, like it's supposed to be. And we ordered it online as well, just to have it shipped to the house. A lot of things coming here all the time. Just another, plate to be used on here temporarily, but for security. So it's gonna go right on here, right up in there. Comes with some little screws again. This time I'll be wanting to use the drill. And has several long screws, and it has several of the little short ones too. And right here out here you want your shorter ones. Get your plate set where you want it. Looks like it's pretty much lined up. Oops. That should be enough to hold it.